Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily change your logo size in WordPress, whether you want to make it bigger or smaller, so your website looks perfectly balanced. This is a full 2025 guide, and by the end, your logo will look just right every time. Let's dive in. First, head over to wordpress.com and click on Login. To save time, you can choose Continue with Google and select the account associated with your website. Once you're logged in, you're ready to edit your site. On your dashboard, look at the right panel and click Edit Site. This will open the site editor where all your customization options are available. Next, click on your specific website from the editor. This will take you directly to the dashboard dedicated to your site, giving you full control over your design elements. Now, here's the fun part. Click directly on your site logo. A panel will pop up on the right with several configuration options. Look for the image width slider. This is what controls your logo size. Slide it to the right to increase the size. Slide it to the left to decrease the size. Before you finish, make sure to preview your changes. Check if the logo size fits well with your site design. Remember, a logo that's too large or too small can throw off the entire aesthetic. Once everything looks perfect, don't forget to save your work so all changes stick. And that's it. You now know exactly how to increase or decrease your logo size in WordPress while keeping it clear and professional. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.